how to get a car dealer license in Virginia. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, determine which type of license you need. Virginia offers two types, independent dealer or franchise dealer licenses. Next, you need to obtain a permanent business location. Your location must be non-residential and have at least 250 square feet of space. It should be able to display at least 10 vehicles. The office must be equipped with essentials like a telephone, internet, heating, plumbing, and other utilities. Your dealership must be open at least 20 hours per week, including 10 hours between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Then you need liability insurance and an auto dealer bond. The bond amount is $50,000, but the cost depends on your personal financial situation, including your credit score. You must also complete a pre-licensing course if you are a new dealer. This course costs $485 and lasts 2 days. After the course, you must pass the dealer operator and salesperson test, which costs $50. Before submitting your application, gather all required documents, including a certificate of zoning compliance from a local office and a background check, dealer plate application, and sales license application. The fees include dealer certificate cost $270, motor vehicle transaction recovery fund cost $358 annually for the first 3 years, dealer plates cost $60 for the first 2 additional plates cost extra. Sales person license cost $50 per person and background check costs around $10. Once you have everything ready, mail your application to the DMV address shown here. After review, a representative will schedule an inspection of your location. If you pass, you will receive your dealer license and can start operating. If not, you will have to pay a resumption fee. And that's it.